What's good, fam? It's your girl Asia, and today we're going to be creating this cute slick back pony on my mom. So let's get into it. For this style, I'm going to be using the Urban Hydration Honey Laid and Slayed Pro Gel, and I'll also be using the ORS Olive Oil Fix-It Spray. I'm going to be dividing my mom's hair into 3 sections. So this first third of her head, I'm going to start applying the gel. I just broke it in half and then I apply the gel to the roots of the hair. I then smooth it into a ponytail using a brush, making sure to really work it in there and get it as flat as possible. Then I secure it with a ponytail. Make sure that it is a snag-free ponytail. You don't want any metal or anything on these, okay? Then I'm going to part it into another third and begin to smooth it backwards. Again, I'm going to be applying the gel in sections. So I started off on the edges and then I also broke the section up, added gel in the middle as needed. I tried not to add too much in here because we want it to be able to dry and set. We don't want her scalp to be wet. So you want to make sure that you don't oversaturate the middle of the head, since that's the part that doesn't really get air that much, okay? Once I've got that nice and smooth, I'm going to add another snag-free ponytail, and then I'm going to do the final section. So as you can see, I'm breaking it up into smaller pieces, adding the gel to the root, and just brushing it backwards. I then added another ponytail and I took a rat tail comb. This is the Ion Pintail comb from Sally Beauty. I love this comb for everything and it works so good at just making sure that you get that smooth look. You just want to comb through it and then add a little extra gel as needed and smooth it back with your hands, and also use a bristle brush. So once I did that, I went ahead and did the edges with the rat tail comb too. To make it look real neat, I'm just adding little parts so that way it's nice and sleek. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. I like to do them symmetrical, so I apply my gel and just try to mirror the other side. So once I finish off those edges, I'm just going to add a little extra hold with the Fix-It spray. I sprayed a generous amount to her hair, making sure to really get those edges in the ponytail, not the ends of her hair though. And then I smoothed it with my hands and covered it with a headscarf. This is essential. You want to make sure that you set the hair, that way it can last and it really molds to the head properly, all right? Now we're gonna do the ponytail, so I'm gonna just brush this out, make sure it's nice and detangled, and then I grabbed this hair and I'm going to just lightly pull the ends so it's not blunt. Once I did that, I divided this into 3 equal sections and we're gonna feed the hair in. Now I'm doing an underhanded braid because of the fact that it's not my head. That's just the easiest way to grip, is underhandedly. So I'm feeding in the hair, doing an underhanded braid. So I first put it into 3 sections. I make sure to put some gel on the back of my hand because you need that girl to slick everything down. And then I just began to braid regularly. And I just do about 1 crossover, and then I will add the hair onto my pointer finger and do another crossover. And I did this 3 times until I got all of the hair inside. And then I just took the gel from the back of my hand and smoothed her hair down. Now this is a very easy style to do on longer hair like hers. You do have to do it differently if you have shorter hair lengths, which I will show you guys in an upcoming video because I did do this style on my hair too. And my hair is way shorter than hers because I literally just cut it last week, okay? This is pretty simple from here. You're just smoothing, you're adding gel, and you're making sure you really tuck that hair in there. I like to kind of push her hair into the extension. So I'll brush it, I'll tuck it, all the things to make it look nice and sleek. Once you've braided past the hair, really from there, it's just a matter of braiding it down to the ends, and then you're going to secure it with a rubber band. I went ahead and applied some rollers to the ends of her hair, and we dipped it into hot water. But anyways, now after it's set and everything, we're gonna go ahead and remove the headscarf. As you see, them edges are stuck like glue. That's exactly what you want. There was no damage to her hair whatsoever once she washed it. So it holds good. I believe this lasted her 4 days. And Yeah, she lives in Atlanta and it's hot, and she was here in Texas and it's hot. So this style definitely gives you some hold. This is what her hair looks like. I think it is so cute. She got that slick back pony. So adorable. We love to see it. Yes. So let me know if you're going to be giving this style a try, and stay tuned for seeing how it works on 4C hair. Bye.